Introducing POWERTEC HDPE miter bars, smooth sliding and easy to install. This video is intended to be a step-by-step guide for installing these miter bars on your DIY crosscut sled. Start by lining up the miter bars in the miter slots of your table saw. From here, you can correctly position your sled, gluing it to the bars prior to screwing them in place. To ensure contact between the runners and the sled during the gluing phase, we're putting down coins to raise the runners before adding the glue. We measured and locked the table saw fence in place to use as a guide when lowering the crosscut sled onto the runners. With the runners correctly positioned in place, it's time to screw them in. Okay, now this is important. Although the miter bars have pre-drilled holes that are countersunk, please note that the drilled holes need to be slightly wider than the screws. If they're not, you'll have to pre-drill to widen the screw holes. If the hole is too small, the screws will expand the HDPE bar as they're being screwed in, and the bar will no longer fit into the miter track. Secondly, make sure the screw heads lie flush with the runners to prevent them from making contact with the miter slot. The results will speak for themselves. A smooth sliding sled with no play, built specifically for your table saw. Thanks for watching. Good luck and work safe, folks.